Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basics, your registered mobile number, PIN, and that the Jazzcash app is updated. Open the Jazzcash app or dial *786# from the registered SIM. You need network access. Once done, choose Login and enter your PIN or biometric if enabled. Make sure you're on a secure connection to protect details. This gets you straight into the account home, where transaction history access is available. No extra setup required before checking records. Once inside the app, go to Menu and select Transactions or History. You'll see recent items. Use the date range filter to narrow to a day, week, or custom period, and choose debit, credit, or bill payments to reduce clutter. Make sure to use search or reference ID fields if you know an amount or merchant name. Tap any entry to view full details, amount, date, time, status, and reference number, so you can confirm the exact movement and why it occurred. To finish, export or download the statement as PDF or CSV when available. Save it securely to your device or email it for records. Double-check totals against receipts and note reference ID for any discrepancies. If a transaction is missing or shows pending, refresh the app, retry filters, and confirm the correct date range. If problems persist, restart the app, check Jazzcash service alerts, and contact support with the reference ID. That speeds up resolution and provides a clear audit trail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.